Okay, so here we go with our, we're to start our granny square, we're going to chain 4, sorry about that. So we're going to chain 4, okay. Now with a 5.25, it will come out a little smaller than the 5.5 millimeter, but once you start with a 5.25, stay with it, or a 5.5, stay with it, or any size, so that you can finish it, and it'll all work out and not look a little odd shaped. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we slip stitch right into the first one, and well, there we go, and pull through. Okay, now this can be a bit of a problem to see where to go in at, but you go right into the center. It's right here. That's the center. And you make your okay, so we're going to be going right into the center. You chain up 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now we make, because that will count as a double crochet. I usually go chain 2s on everything, but chain 3 will work. Sorry for the noise outside, guys. If you can hear the garbage truck out there. Okay, one more. I pulled it a little too far, so there we go. Let's try that again. So we've got 2. And 3. Okay. So then we chain 2 for the corner, and we may have to make another 3 double crochet in a row for our granny cluster. So there's 2. We need 1 more. I gotta pull more yarn out. So hang on a second. All right. Okay, so I'm going to be crocheting over this tail at the same time. And we chain 2 again. And then we do our 3 double crochet in a row. And we have two corners right here. We have 3 clusters. Now we need to do one more, and we did our 3. Now we need to chain 2. After our 3 double crochet, we chain 2 and we put in our last 3 double crochet. And I'm holding it. It goes over the pinky, under, over, and then I wrap it around twice. And that sort of helps me to keep tension. And if you knit at all, then this will help you to be able to continental knit as well. Okay, so here we go. 1, 2, 3, and the last corner. We'll get a chain 2, and then we have to count up the top of the chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We slip stitch right into that top of the chain 3. Okay, so here was what we have so far, and it's going to look like a little tiny square. There. You can weave this in later or trim it. If you crochet over it, you can just trim it off. Okay, so now we're going to go into our, well, nope, we got to chain up 1, 2, and 3. Oh, no. That's what I always want to do, but we're going to get to a corner, which is actually going to make it easier for us. And this yarn is kind of splitty. It's an economical yarn, so it's not going to be the very best. But, so we're going to, but it's very useful anyhow. I still like to use it, so I do. Okay, so I can't get into that, but okay, there we go. So just slip stitch your way across. That's 1, 2, and the third one will be in the corner, and we slip stitch to the corner. So then we go 1, 2, and 3 chains. Okay, and go 2 more double crochet into this corner. Okay. Sorry, I'm not very good online yet on camera. Trying to work on that. Whoop. And this is a very slippery, if you're going to buy a hook like this, for me, it's very slippery. But it will allow you to go faster when you get better at your crocheting. Alright, hang on a second, guys. I gotta get more yarn again. For some reason I'm having a hard time pulling it out of the center also. I don't know why. Okay. So we've got our 2, and now we got to just do one last one. There. Chain 2, because this is going to be all in this same corner here. So then we put it back, right back into the same one. It's easier for me to watch what I'm doing rather than watching through the camera. So I hope you guys can see everything that I'm doing clearly. Alright, so there's our corner right here. Okay? And you can't see it as well, but as you go around, you will see these little corners here. and this will be there. This will start to make look better as we go around. Okay, so because we have this chain, or these 3 double crochets, this little granny cluster, we're going to chain 1. Now some people don't, but I like to chain 1 to get over to this side here, and then you do a double crochet, another double crochet, and another double crochet all into this corner here. I don't know why today is fumbly, but it is. So forgive me for that. Okay, so now I've got the 3 double crochet, and then I chain 2, and then it's another 3 double crochet in the same corner. And then you keep doing that the rest of the way around, and chain 1, double crochet, double crochet, double crochet, chain 2 in the corner, remember that. On the straightaway we chain 1, on the corners we chain 2. Okay, so here I'll get you all the way around. So here we are. I've chained my 2, another double crochet, another double crochet, and one more double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet, double crochet, and double crochet. Chain, whoop, chain 2, because we're in our corner again. Okay, I got my chain 2, and we will do another double crochet, double crochet, and one more. Okay, so this is what we have now, and we've got to close this, so we need to add just one double or one chain, and then slip stitch into the top 3, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, you see that? 1, 2, and then this is the 3rd one at the top. And I always struggle to get it in there for some reason. There we go. Okay. And we slip stitch. Okay. So I've used this yarn a lot, so it's kind of splitting on me quite a bit. But I am going to try, I think, to make a blanket out of these or something. I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. Stay tuned for part 2 in the making of our granny square. Bye-bye.